Hello, glad to introduce the platform Tradesparq for you. Tradesparq is a subscription-based website to provide global trade data that not just bring in new customers for companies, but also assist them in identifying the potential market for their products, track their competitors, and help to generate new leads. Now I will introduce about the customers data search. First, you can just enter the official page and log in. Now there will enter the official page, the dashboard. It shows the personal usage of the account. And then is the shipments. It is the most significant part of this platform. Show the customer's data information search. You can search by product name, address code, exporter, ID, importer, weight range, range of quantity, value, and origin country port, destination country port, and these customers. Here I will introduce the origin country in detail. The origin country can be classified into two parts, organizations and continents. If you click the organizations, you can just click such one, such as SCO, and all the regions in this organization can be chosen. If you click the continent, all the countries in the continent can also be chosen, or just to choose one or two countries of this part. And the other way is just to enter the countries you want to export to, such as you want to import or export from China. You can just to enter China, the China mainland. If you don't want to and want to clear, you can just clear, then it will refer to the nothing selected situation. This is the normal search. Here we also developed an advanced search. If you want to search on almost more than one product at the same time, you can just to add the conditions and search the product. For example, if the one product has synonyms, you can just to enter their two names and make a search. All the transactions and companies information can be generated. Here you can just to enter the product English keywords, and you can see the information of the. Here we also recommend you to exclude logistic company and blank company. It will help us filter the unimportant information. And make a search. All the information will be generated in the four parts: BOL company, trade analysis report, and shipping analysis report. The BOL shows the average transaction of the product, and company will help us to manage and arrange all the transactions. Who of the companies who does the export or import of the product. You can also view the exporter and importer according to your news. And here is a trade analysis report, show us the monthly trends of the market, the main products it export or import, and the shipping analysis also show us the destination port, the organization port. It helps us to book the shipment in advance. Next time I will introduce the four parts in detail. Hello, now I will give you introduction of the search results. Here, no matter which conditions you search, it will display you in the four parts: BOL, company, trade analysis report, and shipping analysis report. Here we exclude the logistic and blank company to filter the unimportant information. In the BOL list, all the transaction has been generated. You can click the detail to see every transactions about their exporter, importer. And their product information also support multiple languages translation, and their price quality information, shipment information, container, and other information all can have a view. And in the list of the left side, you can click the filter button to filter the conditions as you need. And in the company list, It has generated and arranged all the transactions, all the companies who do transactions of that. You can just click the company name in blue to know the company profile about the during this period, their general shipment history, the import and export situation, the region's product code, which product they export and import most, and to judge whether it is a manufacturer, intermediary, or end buyer. And when is the peak seasons? And next part is the trade partners tell us the exporters of the trading and importers. And there are some origin country and destination country to judge whether they recognize our country's products. And here is the import shipments. It will tell the exporter, importer, and the description of the shipments and the date it has been sequenced. Also the export shipment. All of the details can be clicked and have a view. And here is the import partners and export partners. We will show you the weight and value on the transactions of these companies. And here we have developed a new function of customer churn, new partners. Here we can know during this period how many partners are new and how many partners are lost and how many are still kept cooperating. So to judge whether they need new partners and whether we can have a chance to consult with them and make a cooperation. And through the continue still cooperating partners, we can know the year-on-year comparison of their transactions. And here is the company relations. Here we can check 3-level company relations directly to know more company information and to check whether they have lower level companies and to find the end buyers or upper suppliers. And next is the contact information. This information are the information when the customer's clearance made, so maybe not up to date. So we can use the Tradesparq to find the updated information. Next time I will introduce this part. And next is the trade analysis report. It will show you the monthly trends about the macro information, macro situation of the export and import to know the exporter count, import count, and transactions. Every part can be viewed singly or at the same time make a comparison. And next part has give us a general HS code of the products they do the business most. And the origin country, which country they export or import most. Here is destination country, and here give the list 10 of their exporters. You can click to view all of the companies and the list 10 of the importers. And from the shipping analysis report, it will give you the origin port of the companies doing business, the destination port, and the mode transportation, and trade terms. It can help us to know which payment ways they used and help us to book the shipment in advance and book the port. Here is the information results, and the results can be sorted from the transactions, weight, or amount degree aspect. You can just to check and switch to the account. Here is the result of the search.